How to download WordPress websites in HTML. Okay, so I'm going to show you step by step how you can download your own website just like this in an HTML format. Okay, so all that you have to do is simply log into your WordPress dashboard by putting your username, then you come and then put in your password, then come and then click on the login. So as you can see, we have been logged into our dashboard. All that you have to do is just go to the plugins and then come here to where we have the add new plugin and then come and then select it. And then from the right hand corner, you are going to see that we have the search plugins. Okay, so from there, simply come and then search for this, which is simply static. Okay, so this is the spelling, simply static. Simply search for this, and then you are going to see that it is going to pop up just like this one. So from here, as you can see, I have the simply static plugin right here. All that you have to do is simply come here to where it says install and then come and then click on it. So as you can see, it is installing. All that you have to do is just wait for it to finish installing and then come and then click on the activate. Okay, so when you click on the activate, it is going to be activated, and when you come here where we have the settings under it, you see that we have the simply static. When you come here, simply come and then select the generate. Okay, by clicking on it, and then over here you will see that we have the export right here. When you click on the down arrow, simply come and then make sure that it is at the export. Okay, just like this one. And then when you come here, you see that we have the settings. You can do play with all these settings, but I'm simply going to leave it at the default side, and then simply come here to where it says generate static files and then come and then click on it. So when you click on it, you'll see that it is generating. Simply allow it for it to finish generating. So when you come here to where we have the activity log, you can see that our static file is generating. Okay, so from the tools where we have the activity log, you can come and then click on it, and when you come here you will see that everything has been generated for us. You see that we have our zip archive created here. In front of it, you're going to see that we have click here to download. Simply come and then click on it. So when you click on it, from the download side, you are going to see that our HTML file has been downloaded for us. To open it, come and then click on the opened or show in the folder and then come and then click on it, and this is it. We have to right click on it and then come to where we have extract all and then come and select extract all. Okay, what you have to do now is to come and then choose the folder where you want your files to be extracted to. So we are simply going to select the desktop and then come and then click on create new folder. Okay, so new folder, create new folder, and then let's name it as my HTML website. Okay, and let's select it. So after selecting this, let's go down here and then come and click on select folder and then click on extract. So when you click on extract, you can see that it has been extracted right into that folder for us, and then we have our HTML file over here. Like the video and then see you in my next video.